Hey guys, your boy's back. I know I haven't been posting in a while. I'm gonna show you today a cool waterfall here in Switzerland. It's between Lausanne and Yverdon, and it's supposed to be very spectacular, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. And you see these turbines up there. They're completely still. It's kind of eerie. It's the kind of fact, but let's keep going. Here I am at a nice valley, town above. Forests, doing some trekking, baby. I hear it, but like the guy told me it's still a ways away, so, but I hear it. I hear something. The people I passed so far are like all in these huge hiking gear stuff, and I just brought like a bag of like some water and bathing suits. Totally unprepared, but like, oh well, let's keep going. So here's the waterfall I came to see. Came 2 hours for this. Look at this. I'm totally kidding. Let's show you the real waterfall. So I'm here on the bridge. I think I'm on top of the waterfall at the moment. I think it's down there. Here comes the water, comes down on this bridge. And then goes over there, which I'm guessing is the waterfall. Now this is what you call a waterfall, baby. Woo! Awesome, baby. Awesome. Sick up here.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything?
Time to go through a creepy tunnel. Woo! It's kind of creepy, eerie. Some light, I guess. Ooh. Like under the waterfall. Interesting. So as you can see, this used to be a mine back in the day. Some old pictures, how it looked like. Pretty interesting stuff. So I don't know if you could hear me before, but that water was absolutely freezing. It's crazy. Like, yeah, here, nice cool little spot. Go up to the river a little bit, see what else is up here. And then, yeah, time to head back home. Here's a smaller waterfall farther down as it heads into the gorge. Worst part is definitely climbing back up. It's like a long hill. But I'm built for this, baby. This was like a fun, cool adventure to come see this waterfall. It's pretty cool. Now heading back up. So, back at the train station. Cool to see the waterfalls. A little short vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much. Have a good rest of your day.